All right, what a pan. Hey everybody, my name is Ben Hirschfeld. I'm here at Hohm Farms. Just wanted to give you a little breakdown on what we're doing here in the forest. This is actually a piece of city property that started out covered in weeds, overgrowth, trees that are dead, falling apart, trash. And we have decided to take over this space, down some trees, clean up the area, mulch everything, compost everything, and turn it into a little native habitat. Now, based off of the amount of space that we have, we've decided to do a whole spread of California native drought-tolerant plants, some fruit trees, some berries, and even some edible growing sections with some vegetables. So right now we're about to take down some trees, process some of this wood to use it as repurposed elements throughout the garden, because that's what we do. We repurpose and recycle everything back into the space. And yeah, we're going to make it one beautiful wonderland of loveliness. Okay.
The odds of it falling over onto that building?
Pretty low, because the tension, even if the tree decides to fall that way, which would mean that this tree would have to like collapse over, and I don't think that'll happen. There's still enough tension on the rope that even if it wants to go that way, it's still going to come down here or come down here because of how tight we have the rope. This doesn't need to take weight, just a little like jolt, which this fence can definitely handle. So I'm not even worried about the fence going or anything like that. All right. One more cut. That's how we do it. Safe and sound. Not bad for mostly winging it with a little bit of knowledge of tree trimming and a lot of HD TV shows. All those Axeman shows, man, they help a little bit. And this wood will be firewood. This wood will be building elements in the garden. We'll mulch a bunch of this wood and use it for ground cover. 100% of the wood, the weeds, the leaves, everything is getting repurposed back into this garden, except for the trash. That we'll recycle.